Hello, John here with another video, and it's been a while since I've done a video. Just recently moved, and if you listen carefully, nothing, not a sausage. It's gonna be great. No neighbours fighting next door. No sound manipulation to try and drown it out. It's brilliant. Anyway, enough of that. So, back to the subject matter in hand. I've had another update from my patron, Mark. As you can see, I've put his GitHub link there. And he's been following my Neptune Lander video series since the very start. And he's been making his own interpretation of how to do the code. And this week, he sent me a link and said, John, do you want to have seen my latest version? So I thought, okay, let's have a nose. Because remember, last time I looked at it, I went and nicked some code, didn't I? And I thought, let's see what goodies he's got so far. So, let's have a look, shall we? First things first. Let's run it. Let's see what it looks like and how he's getting on. So, Control and F5. Looking at the wrong screen then. Here we go. Bring that down. So look, straight away, splash screen. Right, and we're going to pinch it. And so okay, so we press fire. Ooh, level 1. Right, here we go. So as you can see, he's suffering from the gauges bug, but that video I don't think's gone out, so it would be not. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is it gonna land? Yes, here we go. Level 2. Okay, come on then. Oh my. Oh, gravity's more. And look at that. I was too busy looking at the fuel gauge. Oh, I'm dead. Right, try again. Push it over. Oh, too far. Come on. Yeah. So we start again with the fuel. Okay. Oh my god, look at the fuel going down. No. Ooh. Ooh. Hey up, Mark, I think I found a bug. It took a while for that to crash. Come on, let's do this again. Right, go over. Oh, look at that. Yeah, yeah. Found a bug, Mark, found a bug. Let's try again. Right, over we go. God, that was close. Go on. There we go. Level 2. Let's get over there. Oh, crap. Crikey, that is gravity's it. Gravity's strong on this one. Oh. Oh, I've run out of fuel. Run out of fuel. Right. So, and Mark's he's done it quite differently than I've done, and I'm thinking of actually redoing it in the same way. So he's followed Derek Morris's framework. So you build the project rather than build the game and have all the includes. So his main has 4 lines in it. Not like mine that's got like 30, 40. And what he's doing, so initializing the game, so I presume that's the menu and all that, and then he's going straight into the game flow. And what I noticed was the game flow has all the code in it. So he's got the menu status, which does that. So it initializes the menu, says go to the next level, and then sets the game status to the next level. And then the next level sets up for the next level. Change it to game alive, which then repeatedly runs this bit of code here, which is the alive code. So it's checking for the user input, doing the move, adding gravity, updating the sprites, and so on and so on. And so he's using this game flow to govern everything, and that's what I will be nicking and doing in mine. But we've got to be mindful that in the one that I've done, we got the demo mode, so we've got to cater for that as well. And he's also got everything all built into their corresponding parts. Now, some of the code I think, ooh, intriguing. And it's all about personal preferences. He's got all his libraries in one library file, which I thought was okay. There's nothing wrong with that. So it's a library of macros, and it's very clever what he's done. There's some really, how can I explain it? He's done a different take on some of the aspects of my Neptune Lander, and it's really good. It's really good. Seeing that he's been following this, and I think he was a noob to start with. He's done a really good job. And so what we're going to do, what I want to do, I mean, here's his levels, look. Let's find out why. Was gravity increased? Let's have a look. So that's level 1. So thrust is 6, gravity's 1. Well, no wonder that was easy. Level 2, gravity 2. Oh, thrust is 4. Wow. No wonder it was difficult. What was level? It's level 1, level 2. So what was level 3? 2, 4. Oh, so it was the same. So he's probably never, like me, he's probably never completed past level 2. And so I thought we would borrow some of the things. So we're going to borrow the front screen. Got to do that. Borrow it. And pilfer some ideas. But I think he's onto something here, and it's a shame that I didn't think of that. But you know, I'm just doing this just to teach you guys how to code. So there are always going to be other people that have different ideas out there, and those ideas are never bad ideas, not one. And I think this is just showing how just following along with a video series can help you understand how something works. and that's where live streamers come in and stuff like that. As at least with a video, you know, well, I suppose it's the same for live streamers. You can saw it as a video and watch it at your leisure. So let's have a look at this in detail. So he's got his sprites, 17 of them by the looks on it. He's only loading in 127 characters, but I noticed that he's moved his character set, because I started it off at A, B, C, D, 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 but he's moved it to exclamation mark, quotes and all that. So he's moved the scenery to that sort of area, yeah. And he's now got this bin file. So I tried to find out what this bin file was. Yeah. So let's load mining. Now you'll see that I've already started. So if that's Mark's, that's mine. So what I've got here is, I think it was the intro screen. This was my version of the intro screen, and as you can see I made it smaller, but I was using these the half characters, and I thought, okay, I'm not too sure. So what I did was I tried to import marks in. Now this is my version, yeah, and as you can see, it's almost like Mark's. Mark's used a custom character, which I'm thinking of doing myself because it looks pretty sweet. So what I'm going to do, but just to show you how I loaded it in. So if I created a new screen layout, so let's call this Mark's. You can actually load it in. So if we open up Mark's and then do File, Import from File, and then do Browse. So that's it there, and we want to do a bin file. There it is. So click Open, and we want to do a preview. There it is. That's his lander. So if I click OK, you'll notice there's some weird character, and that's the character he's defined. So if we load his character setting, so let's go back to his load Neptune Lander. There you go. That's his custom character, and I thought we could do the same as well. So, and that's what I've done. So if I close this, don't save it, we'll leave that there anyway. So I did the same, which came out as this. So if I put the grid back on so I can see what it looks like, there you go. And it's solid. So when it comes out on the screen, let's get rid of the grid, it comes out looking like that. And I thought, we'll have to see, because it looks a bit blocky to me, but I don't mind. But yeah, I still think we can do something with this, and something unique. So thank you, Mark, for giving me the idea, and we're going to do a little bit of a twist on it as well. But it's how can I put this? It looks pretty cool, to be honest. So what I've done is, so here's my Neptune Lander. So if I press F5, it should work. Oh, I might have turned off the background music, I don't know yet. Yeah, turned off the background music. Alright, so Go over. There we go. Don't know why it jumps up, but we'll have to look at that. But there is a problem with this. Now if I put the SID music back on. Yep, that's it. F5. Whoa. That's going too high. Yeah, crashed. Let's try that again. Can you hear it? The music starts again, and we don't really want it to do it. We want it to start and then carry on. So when we land, there we go, and then see it started again, and I don't want that. So we've got to now start thinking about the initialization variables. What are we initializing and what are we not? Because I don't want to initialize the score because that's going back to 0, and I don't want to initialize the music. Right, see? So let me just rem out the SID music. But first, what I want to do is I want to do a introduction menu like screen like Mark's done, using what we've just created, and that's what we're going to do for this, because I quite like it, and I think we should how can I put this, we should take advantage of it. I think we should do that. So what we're going to do is, what is calculator, come on, calculator brain. So that's 2 banks. So that's 4, isn't it? 1000 is 4. Yeah, we could do it after the character set. So we could load it in after the character set. So what I was thinking about where we're going to put it. So this is at 3000, and that takes up 2k. So 400 is 1k. So 800 is 2. So if we put it here and say 900, that'll work. So ink bin, and it was intro 2, wasn't it? Hang on. Yeah, intro 2. Intro 2.std. And then what we need to do is then create a routine that's going to display it. So I need to find out what's in the lib screen. Is there a routine that allows us to draw a screen? It's been a while since I've looked in it. Set colours, multicoloured, no. So there isn't. Alright then. We ought to make one then. So we need to colour, set colour and position. Okay, so we need to create a new macro. Okay, so let's do that. Lib screen, copy screen, and we are going to have /1 as the memory location of screen to copy. So straightforward, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just need to yeah, okay. So LDY #0 loop LDA at /1, y. Store it in 0400, y. LDA /1 plus 250, y. Store in $04CO, no FO, y. That's 250. So copy. So it's 500. Oh, now they're asking 750. Let's do this for a moment. Plus 250. Plus 500. Plus 750. Then we need to do the same thing again, but because I think it stores the colour memory directly afterwards. So this is going to get complicated. Because I'm not sure we can have multiples on the pluses, but then again I think we can. So that's going to be plus 1000, 1250, 1500, 1700, and we'll do the same with this. Plus 1000, 12, 15, 1700. Oh no, no. Set. Now colour RAM starts at D800, doesn't it? D8. 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 Have I got a caps lock on? Yeah, I've got a caps lock on. D8. So increase Y. Copy, compare Y with 251. Branch is not equal to that loop. If it is, that's it. Right, hoping that will compile. We'll find out. So there's the thing. So lib copy screen. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in here JSR. Whoa. Here, someone's got corona. Right, so this is, what would this be under? Let's have a look. What would this be under? Game Lander, game flow, game flow. Yeah, game flow, I think. Game flow. Set up splash screen. Right, game flow. Okay. Game flow. Set up splash screen. So we need to that and the place is so many things open. Right, I'm going to give this. I'm going to give this a variable. So splash screen. In fact, not put it there, put it there. Splash screen. Get rid of some of these. Right, where's game flow? There it is. So splash screen. And for the moment, I want to see what it looks like. See if that works. Save all, go to there, F5. Has it errored? Looks like it. Invalid number of arguments. Okay. Ink bin, let's have a quick look in there. Directive, I think it's assembler directives. Ink bin. Here we go. Right. When using the editor, say ink bin allows you to automatically generate the data from the sprite character and insert it into the source file. Data generation starts at start and ends at end. Whether you are generating character sprites or the screen. If you are generating the screens, then there is a third optional parameter which determines what screen data you want to generate. The options are character or colour. Oh. If you are generating sprites, no, I'm not generating sprites. Okay. Okay. So we'll try that. So I need two of these. So the first one is from 0 to 1000, comma char. And the other one is it's 999. Oops. 999. So this one's 1000 to 1999, comma. No, it's got to be the same. 0,999, colour. That's what he put. Yep. Right, F5. Ink bin, argument out of range. Okay. Let's try that again. Control F5. Oh. Oh, I've done Control F5, it's F5, isn't it? Oh, he still doesn't like it. Ink bin argument is out of range. Data generation starts at starts and ends at end. Whether you are generated sprites oh, hang on. If you are generating screens, then there is a third option which determines what type of data. Chart or colour. Maybe that's why Mark made a bin file for it. Maybe you couldn't get this working. What's that do? F5. Invalid argument. Use this directory to include a binary file at assembly time. The file is loaded. You can optionally ignore first steps. I wonder if that's... Can you have more than one screen? Let's have a look. Oh, we can have more than one screen. Okay. So maybe this is 1 to 1, 1 to 1. F5. Invalid argument. Oh. Well, this is not making it easy, is it? Oh, maybe it's 0. Cool, 36 minutes. Oops. Just to get a screen on. Right, F5. F5. No, failed straight away. Oh no. F5. That's got to be erring. Yes, it is. Argument out of range. F5. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Invalid exp. Oh. Right, let's take one of those out. Right, game flow. No, it was lib screen. DD. D. And I think it's D800, isn't it? Where's my memory? No. Did I put it in there? No, I didn't. Must be in memory. Or constants. Yeah, colour RAM D800. There it is. So colour RAM. Have I got screen RAM in there? No, I haven't. Right. Lib screen. Oh. Would you believe it? Oh, never mind. Right, so I can change that to that. This bit I ain't got one for screen. Or have I? Memory. Have I got one for screen? It's not in there, it's in constants. Yes, I have, screen. Oh, John, get a grip. Just shows you how long it's been. Right. Hopefully, we might get a bit more movement on this. Right. F5, bang. Well, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it compiled. Right, let's see how we're doing. I want to make sure it goes in the right place. Right, so E, F. So there's Derek sprites. Then we do. So this is a character set. So where's that finishing? I think I worked that out to 8, wasn't it? Oh yeah, and there's the colour data, the character data. So the colour data came first. Okay, colour data came first. Okay. Yeah, I've got it the wrong way around. Okay. Well, we've got something. So, let's specify it, shall we? So, this is going to be char, and this is going to be colour. Get it right. Right, F5. Invalid parameter. Do we have to do quotes? F5. Huh. The options are chart and colour. I wonder if it's just capitalised. F5. No. Okay. We will do a switcheroo. Okay. 5. Oh, we got movement. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Have I... Are we not put those zeros? Where are they coming from? Have I got it wrong? Colour around, colour around, colour around, colour around. Screen, 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 screen. It was the screen round that was wrong, wasn't it? F5. Again. Let's look at the assembly. Just make sure. Code set. Here we go. So this is colour that goes from 3900 and the screen data. Oh, hang on. That's 3CE8. Try this. Decimal. 3CE8 minus 3900 equals. So it's, yeah, it's 1,000. So why am I picking up some... I must be picking this lot up. So that's the character data. Why am I picking junk up? Because the colour's right, look. So the colour's right. And it's the final bit. I bet this is the final 250 characters. I must have got it wrong. What's this? $500 plus 250 is 750. Oh, there's always something. We know he's putting the colour on right. F5. And I don't think it's hitting this. Oh, it is. It's gone over. Right, so let's have a look. If that stopped at 3800, we should be okay to fit that in. Yes, we should be okay to fit that in. So let's do that. F5. Come on. Oh. There we go. 50 minutes later. Oh, we've done it. Now, I'm going to do something with this to make it different, because even though Mark's done this and I've nicked it, I want to put my twist on it and see if we can get it to do it. And if it can do it, then great guns. We'll get on with it. All right. So we'll leave it at that. So we've now put a menu, a splash screen, and I'll put the controls to govern it, and then the next video we'll see if we can do something with it. I think we can do something with it, and it's gonna be interesting to do something. Yeah. I've got a really good idea. Anyway, if you like this video, then please click that like button. If you didn't like the video, fine, hit the dislike button. Always leave me a comment, because I try to answer as many as I can. And if you like what I do and you would like to support me in whatever way, consider becoming a patron of mine. All the money that is raised in Patreon comes back to the channel. And at the time of this recording, the patrons and I are already thinking about the next game development project. But this time, instead of me just doing it, it's going to be a community thing. And with that, I will say, see you in the next video. Take care. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.